What's up, guys? As you can tell by the title, you know what we're doing today. So he doesn't know it's a prank, of course, because it's a prank. So I told him we were vlogging today. So I'm going to go pick him up right now. I'm almost there. And we're just going to start the video. Let me see the spray. This is going to be so funny because it stinks so bad. Like, it smells so bad. This is it. It smells like rotten eggs. When I tell you rotten eggs, I mean rotten eggs. So I'm going to have my sister in the back spraying it while we're just sitting up here. I'm going to have her spraying it. It's going to be so funny, guys. I can't wait. So I'll see y'all when I get them. Welcome back to our channel. You need to say it louder, bro. Don't hit that big.
Say it loud.
Today we're just gonna vlog our day and what we do. It's so bright.
Pick what we eat.
If you don't go
You pick what
over.
we eat.
Well, right now we're going to Ollie's.
She get from Ollie's.
Huh?
She get from Ollie's.
Bro, my stomach been hurting like crazy.
Mine has two since I woke up. I'm hungry. And we still ain't picked nowhere to eat.
Because we gotta go to Ollie's Big Up first.
We eat first. Ollie's be open all day. We eat first. Ollie's will be open.
We're gonna eat it, dude.
They're Ollie's first now. We already said Ollie's.
I just said that.
Get the Ollie's.
No, I'm not. Bro, like.
What is it? Damn, it stinks. Damn window doors.
She got her head out the window.
Oh my God. Help me.
She didn't stop for it. That girl stayed.
Bro, I ain't fine.
Yeah, you did.
Damn, someone farted again. Get me out of this car.
Wow. Where the girl? Oh my God. That just stinks. Oh my goodness.
Who took a dump in there?
Oh my God.
Wait till y'all get out.
Girl, that's you back there. Baby. Yes, it is. No, no, no. Yes, it is. No, no, no. Come on.
No, babe.
We finally made it to Ollie's. This nigga don't want to say nothing.
You gotta get out here.
We gotta get some toys. Press out. Where's no? Oh, girl.
At least y'all hear what it is.
What'd you say?
At least you hear what it is. And we went trapped in the car.
What? No, that just stink. Okay, we need to go.
I read it. You gotta outrun it.
So, oh, you gotta get here with me.
Alright.
Okay, we gotta find the dog out. This girl, she might need to go back home.
I need a brush out.
Why? She can brush her head with somebody's brush?
No.
That's nasty.
Hey, brush.
This girl, she don't stop letting it loose.
Bro, I ain't letting it out.
Why are we going back here? We need to find the dog out.
You're the one walking.
No, I'm just walking behind you because you the one running and taking off.
What? You.
They got dog toys right there. And there's dog beds too. Come on.
I'm walking.
It kills. Oh my God, I gotta use the bathroom.
You better let
doing your plan.
Girl, that's not even me. Oh, come on.
It's not me.
That's the dog stuff. Right there.
Hey, stop. Okay. That ain't no good toys.
Let me look at this table.
You at Ollie's, bro.
What?
I see you at Ollie's.
I need.
The dog bears right here.
Yeah, stop
Loud.
playing with these toys. So I need to get them a bed. I might just get them a
Buddy
bed.
needs one that big.
Can you hold this? I'm tired of holding this. It's got my arm hurt.
No.
But you gotta hold it right. You're gonna get.
Take over.
Come on, stop. Stop. No, don't put me in it. Come on.
Bro, you in it. You in it.
Okay, well, stop putting it just on
But
me.
we gotta get away from here. Come on.
This girl. I'm not doing it right. You're not holding it right.
I'm holding it best I can.
Put your finger out the camera. I told you how I do it. Look at you. Now we just got our head. If you know, stop playing, bro.
Killing me. Man, she made me hit my head a while ago.
Fix the camera. You gotta pay attention to what you're doing. I didn't mean to make you hit your head.
Oh, a middle one.
Fix the camera.
Baby.
Look. Y'all see, this YouTube video ain't gonna be that good because he always not holding it right.
Killing me, bro.
What you talking
You killing me.
What you talking about?
You just killing me.
Fix it right.
That is right. That's right.
Yes.
Okay.
Like that.
Damn, man.
Fix the camera. Stop. You're not doing it right, bro. Yo. That is not me. That is not. That is not me. Fix it. I gotta tell you something, baby. Fix the camera.
That's all you told me.
Fix the camera. Because you're not freaking doing it right. Look at it. You're not even paying attention
All
to
the time
it.
arguing at me, bro.
Because you're not doing it
Well, I
right.
don't want her to stare at the camera, bro, because
Whoa.
that makes me feel weird.
Well, you need to make sure it's right. Look at it.
That's right now, ain't it?
Well, I'm ready to end this video because you're not doing it right. I gotta tell you something.
You can tell them too. I'm just one.
So tell them how you feel about the prank.
It just stinks. Don't do that again, girl. I thought that was killers, to be honest. I was a kid that was
That's
killing me. Boy. I spelled that one. I didn't want to be mean. I didn't want to be mean, so I wrote the window down. Boy, that joke was killing me. But I spelled it about 12 times. I was like, God, they killing me. You're right, bro. They kills me.
That's on this thing. I see. I didn't
Who
want.
was
I
spraying
didn't kill. See, she had it the whole time.
That joke was
She had it in the back seat.
yeah, son.
I ain't see. I was gonna go and say it was me, but I was like, he gonna think I stink. So I didn't do it.
Ooh.
So now I just started saying it was Kelsey.
Had my stomach.
It really did stink.
That joke rotten, like some eggs or something. I don't know.
That's exactly what it smelled like.
Ugh.
It smelled like rotten eggs.
Boy, it was killing my stomach. I'd rather smell diapers.
Oh my god.
For real, bro.
Right.
It was killing me.
Well, y'all know I won that one. I didn't think it was gonna go good. I'm glad it did though. One for me.
Alright.
1-0.
We'll leave it like that. I'm gonna get you back.
Mm-hmm.
Watch. Watch.
Y'all know I won.
Okay. Okay. Whatever.
Well, y'all comment what y'all want to see next. So, or give us some ideas.
I'm gonna hit her back. Get her back. Maybe not next, but I'm gonna get you.
Okay.
You ain't gonna like it either.
Okay. Y'all let us know what y'all want to see. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
And come back to the next one. The next video. Like all the recent ones.
Go watch them too.
We can watch them.
Come on, say what you say.
I don't know what else.
What you be saying?
I don't know.
All right, y'all.